the product.
Okay, so the user story is, let's go with this. So with this, when we get to this, the API is the cat slug, category slug. We want to identify this. Dependency is 39. I want to go with this. As a buyer, I should be able to get the product by category so that I can find all the expected product easily on the website. Okay, I got this, all of this. If the buyer writes there any wrong keyword, the product is not matching, it should not show on the any product. Buyer will write down the to search product based on the keys. Okay, I understand this and the 200. Okay, and then I have to go to the 39. So now let's go to the 39. 39. See, we can search here by the title and by the number. Yeah. So I should be able to filter. Okay. So let's say 39 as a buyer, I should be able to filter products so that I can find all the expected product on the website. Prerequisite must be registered with a valid email, and the name and password must have internet access, must be logged into the website. Okay, and given login to the website, when I click, I don't understand any of this. This is all fake. This is all unreal. I want to go here. See, so all the copy paste. Okay, I don't need to. I did not look at this. What I'm saying, I did not log into this website. You see this? I do not. So all the accepted all the information, those are fake. Those are not real. So that's the how, when you do this, then you identify the information. So, and then let's proceed. Buyers should click category and get an easy way to find product they need. Okay, API specification. How to do this? Okay. So API endpoint it. API filter. Oh, I understand now. I'm looking for this. I got this. Okay, so now let's go back to the product filter. Product, go by the filter. Let's go where the filter is. Where the filter is. Here we go. So product by filter. So everything is any. I just leave everything is any. I do try it out. I just click it, exit. Execute. This is all the public API, by the way. Means that anybody can see it. And of course, if you do not understand what I'm saying, how you can find out, you go to the network, and then actually you just click slim, and then if you do not in the 200 slim short, the payload, sorry, now header, and that's the staging. And then what I was looking for, that's actually the API payload is here. Product details, API product details. No, which one I was looking? Review, this is the review. This is the product details. And this is the, where is it? Okay. This is the one, Pratik. How come we cannot see the endpoint here?
Yeah. On the payload, this is the response.
Yes, yes. On the payload?
So, are you searching for any flag?
Yes, idea. That's the idea I got. Yeah. Actually, that's actually the preview. That's the slim. Look at this. So on it shows behind the scene, it is the product ID. Correct? Here. Here.
Yes.
Exactly. So the way, even if you do not have a Swagger, if you go to the network, and if you actually is already recorded, and when you click this, let me remove again and type slim. Okay. And then you click it, and you came here, and then you go, where you go? 1 second. Get product. And then actually you go payload and you go preview. And that's actually, which one? Slim. Sorry, slim. And you get the product ID, you get details. If you click here, collapse. If you click here, it get details. The same thing we receive on the, same thing we saw on the database, and the same thing we saw on the Swagger. Do you guys remember? That's how many ways you can see information. So actually this front end actually consuming the backend API. That's how it communicate. So front end make the request, and that's the request, how this request has been taken by this. And this is the response actually. The response came, but the request is when you type it. When you type it, you just type it. That's the your request. And in the network, in the preview, under the payload, you saw this. In the preview, the response came back. And that's actually the API response back from, very important, but that's actually the DevOps engineer also troubleshoot, by the way. If you guys know this, 1 second. I want to keep it. And because 505, I want to go back product ID quickly so that you can see this. So now look at this. The same thing, basically, almost the same thing. Same thing is the one. We can almost the same thing we can see here as well. Created by, created ad, and the image, slim t-shirt, all the details we can see here. So it means that whatever you type, whatever you are sending is a request, and the whatever you get response, that's from the backend, that's from the server, and where you can see under the network, and then under the preview, payload is, you can see the whole, the API payload, which is here, whatever you send, that's the payload. Whatever you send, that's the payload, request body. And then actually you can get details, then actually the response body from the server backend. And then actually similar information already stored on the database as well. That's another way. You can see. Do you see the timing? You can see the timing, how long it took, complete, and the request has sent, and the waiting for the server to respond, how long it took. You can see it took 74 milliseconds, and the request sent 64 nanosecond, maybe 64. What is this? I don't know. We have to go back here. I don't understand all the details. The timing is very, and then if you want to know the explanation, that's actually the Google shows the explanation, how it shows, because this is the Chrome. And Chrome is actually recording all of this for us. So that's the another way you have to do the troubleshooting. If you're the backend, if you're not getting the response, you will look at it, and then you can combine all the information, and in the email, you can put all of this together. People will call you, that's the expert. People will say, this person knows what he's talking, this person knows what he's doing. That's how it works. So now we look the front end, we look the browser, the network section as well. We look the Swagger to check the data backend, and we actually look the admin panel, the seller portal, and we also look all the way to the database, so that we verified every single angle for our testing. So you create the test cases, and that's how you do the testing. So you see the database testing is, basic database testing is how important it is. Basic database testing is very easy. You, for the MongoDB, go to the collection and do the key and the value. For the relational database, select the table and the column name, which is your key, and the value is what the way you're looking for. Simple as this. Remaining all in front of your eyes. And let's go back here. What are we talking here? Yep. So I wanted to actually go back to this, the category. So what is the filter? I wanted to actually go to this. I did not look at it. So let me go back and start this now.